If you want to forward your Bluehost email to a Gmail account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to set up email forwarding inside Bluehost so every message sent to your Bluehost address can automatically land in Gmail. This is perfect if you want to manage all your mail in one inbox, stay more organized, and never miss an important message again. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside, look for the hosting section and then open cPanel. cPanel is where Bluehost keeps a lot of your website and email settings, so this is the area you need for forwarding setup. After that, scroll down until you find the email section. Inside email, click on Forwarders. This is the tool that lets you send incoming Bluehost email to another address automatically. Now you're on the Forwarders page. Here, click Add Forwarder. Bluehost will ask you to define which email address you want to forward. In the Address to Forward field, type the local part of your email address. For example, if your Bluehost email is info@yourdomain.com, you only type info in this field. Then, from the domain dropdown, select the correct domain connected to that email address. This step is important because it tells Bluehost exactly which inbox you want to forward from. Next, go to the destination section. Make sure you choose Forward to Email Address. This tells Bluehost that the email should be sent to another external email account. In the box below, enter your Gmail address. For example, you can type yourname@gmail.com. Double check that the Gmail address is typed correctly, because if there's a mistake here, your emails won't arrive where you want them to. Once everything looks right, click Add Forwarder. Bluehost will save the rule, and from that moment on, any email sent to your Bluehost address should automatically be forwarded to your Gmail inbox. It's a simple setup, but it can make a big difference if you prefer checking email in Gmail instead of logging into Bluehost every time. After that, it's a good idea to test the setup. Send a test email to your Bluehost address and then check your Gmail inbox to make sure it comes through. If it does, then your forwarding is working correctly. If not, go back and confirm that the local part, domain, and Gmail destination were entered correctly. Also check your Gmail spam folder just in case the message was filtered there. And that's it. You've now learned how to forward your Bluehost email to a Gmail account in just a few steps. This is one of the easiest ways to centralize your communication and keep everything in one place. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.